VRaySchool was bought by Hotkeys Holding, and now it's fully operational by Hotkeys team. But I'll still be in the background advising the Hotkeys team how to take care of VRaySchool. In the near future, we will be adding and expanding our classes and learning experience by adding a personal AI assistant to take you through the workshops and help you find materials on your native language. If you think you can contribute to VRaySchool tutorials and training sections, don't hesitate to send us an email. We'll be glad to hear about your expertise. Thank you very much for following us all these years. VRaySchool will be going through a major upgrade, and we hope to see you around when we launch our new AI-based website. We are excited as much as you are. See you soon in our new automated learning platform. And always, if you want to do it right,
do it like a pro.